market in Havana, and I got some beautiful jewelry, and it reminds me low market in Oslo actually. So it's so cute. Okay, explain for us. Finish.
Yes. If you are angry with your husband, you turn the hair, or your husband angry with you. In this position, you call problem, need communication. In this position, everything is okay.
Cute, thank you.
Thank you.
Coconut? No.
English,
Yes.
everything made of coconut.
Coconut. Okay.
This.
Yeah,
And
very
this,
nice.
everything made of horn of cow.
Wow.
Horn.
Horn of cow. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Very nice.
This set horn, and this set coconut.
Look at the snake. Snake lovers. Do you like this Cuban snake design? Look at this, it's so cute. This is her beautiful table, and she's making jewelry with spoons and you see? Very nice. Very nice.
Ese I can open and close the ring.
Son trabajos con semillas. ¿Habla español? English? Seeds.
Seeds of
And the color is natural.
oh, that's beautiful.
This is the set.
You make it?
My family.
Come, you are beautiful. Your hair is so beautiful. Can you come to my camera? She's so gorgeous. And look, these are seeds of what is
The name is Coralina.
Coralina.
It's a tree?
Is a tree from in Cuba.
Yes, yes.
And these are the seeds, and the color is natural. You see, and I'm going to wear it. Hello. Actually, it suits my. Okay.
If you prefer longer or shorter, you can.
Gorgeous. You see?
We have
Ta-da!
this and we have this. It's more,
This is different.
yes, it's
Is
más.
this is 3-4 layers.
And this is 2.
2 layers. And the price is 400. What's the price?
The price is 400, but include the bracelet
It's
and
a
this,
set.
the set. Yes.
Oh, mamma mia, this is a set. It's a cute set. And
The bracelet.
that is the bracelet. Do you like it?
Guacalote and seashells.
Oh,
This is beautiful.
shells and other. What was
Guacalote amarillo.
Okay, I don't know.
The name.
Difficult to
The name.
pronounce the
The
name of
Cuban
the
name.
Yeah, Cuban name. And this one?
This is catata.
This is also seed.
Other, yes, we wore different Cuban
Another
seeds.
seed. So here is seed jewelry. It's vegetarian jewelry.
This is from the, this is coconut, from the small palm, yes.
Oh, it was a cute market in this street. I will tell you what is the name of the street. Obispo